Good day. My name is Maricruz Pulido Lopez. I am 34 years old. I am from Sogamoso. I am a student of industrial engineering. I like to ride a bicycle. My favorite singer is Jorge Celedon. My eyes are brown. My hair is red. I am short. I am kind, responsible, support, polite, and affectionate. I live with my husband and my 2 children. My mother is Flor Maria Lopez Barinas. She is housewife. She is responsible, whole with her family. She likes to sing and dance. She is short. She is very beautiful. Her eyes brown. My father is Eladio Pulido Acevedo. He is cabinet maker. He is very responsible, willing and kind. He has a cat and pet. He likes to play guitar and dance. He is tall. His eyes are brown. He has a black and curly hair. He is very handsome. My husband is Eder Mesa Vargas. He is kind, hardworking, responsible, and willing. He is very operating profession. He likes to ride a bicycle. He is short and thin. He is very cheerful. My daughter is Jamie Tatiana. She is 14 years old. She is very friendly, responsible, and very handsome. She likes to dance. She is thin and tall. She has a brown eyes and long black hair. She is very pretty. My son is Andre Felipe, at 9 years old. He is very cheerful. He plays soccer and rides bicycle. He has short and black hair. He has brown eyes. He is tall and then he is very friendly. Goodbye.